Matt with Howe Equipment here. We're going over my favorite Toro residential mower that they have to offer. This is the Toro Titan Max Havoc Edition. The difference between the Havoc Edition is it's all black, so it's kind of got that a little bit cooler look. It's got the nice rims on the side. It's got the LED lights on top. This one we're actually selling lightly used with full warranty. It's only got 3 hours on it, but that's not why we're here. We are here to talk about how to adjust the tracking on a Titan. So this should be the same kind of principle for any of the Titans. I've done a video where I've talked about how to adjust the tracking for a Timecutter, and there's actually some nuts on the very back of the transmissions that you can adjust. It's different here on this one. So there is a couple of adjustments you can make. So number one, when you pull the arm bars in, are these lining up exactly equally? You've just got your adjustment points on these two nuts, so that's really just where your hands are gonna be. It's not gonna adjust, whether it turns left or right. It's gonna be that comfort in your hand. The second adjustment you can make, if you press these all the way forward and this one is moving slightly faster than the other one, there's actually a little bit of a hole in here, and there's a Torx bit that you could actually get through, and there are some nuts that you can actually adjust, and it will make it so that the stop point is right here, the stop point is right there, so you can adjust the stop point, which in turn will adjust how fast you're moving. And then you can also pull the covers on these, and when you pull the covers right here, there's actually two Torx heads that you can take off, and these covers pull up, and all you need to do is turn the jam nut to the right or to the left, and so that will either speed or slow down the arm. So in this demonstration we're actually showing slowing down the right hand side. The right hand was moving a little bit faster than the left, so our tech Jeff actually is adjusting those nuts so that it slows down the speed on the right hand side. Also in this video, this was very stiff to move up and down, so there's an adjustment point as well to make this a little bit looser. And we're showing Jeff here, and he is just loosening the nuts so that there is these move freely. So between all those things, it should really help you out with your steering. I hope this video of Jeff kind of showing you those things really helps you guys. And if you need anything over here in Jackson, Michigan, we can help you at Howe Equipment. Tool or toy, we have it.